Master Plumber Licensure Exam, Plumbing Code. Refresher. Part 7. A water system containing a water heater will require a B. TP relief value. When connecting horizontal drain line with another drain line, the acceptable fitting to be used are C. Combination Y and 1/8 bend. The principal artery of the venting system to which vent branches are connected. B. Main vent. A water satisfactory for drinking, culinary, and domestic purposes, and meets the requirements of the PNSDW. B. Potable water. The lowest portion of the interior part of any pipe or conduit that is not vertical. C. Invert. The minimum pressure be maintained for fixtures containing flush tank supplies shall be A. 8 psi. Plumbing system shall be subjected to such tests to effectively disclose all leaks and defects in the B. Workmanship. System shall be maintained in serviceable condition by registered master plumbers. B. Plumbing. Which of the following is the intent of the plumbing code? B. To ensure public safety. Actuated by stem screw and hand wheel, suited on installation that calls for throttling. A. Globe valve. A mechanical device used to circulate hot water to the plumbing system. C. Pump circuit system. The waste test for drainage system shall be at least B. 10 feet ahead. Which material ultimately seals a caulked or bell and spigot joint? C. Pig lead. All shower compartments, regardless of shape, shall have a minimum finished interior area of B. 0.6 square meter. Sizes of vertical and horizontal drainage pipe shall be determined from B. Total fixture units. Requests for inspection by master plumber to the administrative authority are required to be made at least before the work to be tested. D. 3 working days. NAMPAP means. B. National Master Plumbers Association of the Philippines. Drinking fountain shall not be installed in. B. Public toilet room. A unit which is equivalent to the flow rate of 1 cubic foot of water per minute or 7½ GPM of water is. B. Fixture unit. In sizing water supply system, velocities shall not exceed of the maximum values given in the appropriate installation standard. A. 3 meter per second.